So for this video, I'm gonna cook pork butt roast. So I thought my video is on already, but it's not. So I have a pork butt right here. I put 1 can of cream of mushrooms and this gravy, the ao juice gravy, and of course I will put my favorite pepper, the jalapenos pepper, and I'm gonna put also this one, my favorite mushrooms, this one, and now I will put this one. Then, of course, I'm gonna put garlic on this one. Garlic, alright. It smells good now. And I'm gonna put this one later. This one. Maybe after 2 hours or after 3 hours. Because this is slow cooker, so maybe it takes like 5 hours to cook, so after 3 hours, 2 to 3 hours, I will put this one. Okay, now I'm gonna slice this peppers. A lot of peppers. It's my favorite. Okay, so this is looks like, and cook like 2 hours. And so it's already 3 hours. So I added the mushrooms, a can of mushrooms, and onions, medium size of onions, and then I need to cover it again and let it cook like about 2 hours, another 2 more hours. Ayan, ito na ang aking butt roast. So I need to flip it over para halo na siya, nagkaroon na siya ng sauce. So I did not put water on this one, so it creates their own sauce. Now I will set this on warm. A while ago it's on high. It cooks like 2 to 3, 3 to 4 hours, I think. Yeah, 3 to 4 hours. And now, before I go to sleep, I need to put on warm. Yep. Okay. Now low right here. So I will put that on warm. Warm. Okay. And then when I wake up tomorrow, I will set on high again. So it takes so long, like 6 hours to cook for these butts. Here we go. Luto na siya. Ayan, before ako natulog, sinalang ko na siya. So, here we go. It's cooked already. Ready to eat. Tikman natin. Ayan, yung ano niya na. Soft niya na. Very soft. Tikman natin. Mm.